Credit Strong doesn't cancel like a normal subscription because it's tied to a credit building account, not just a monthly app service. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to cancel Credit Strong, what happens to your credit when you do it, and the safest way to stop payments without hurting your credit profile. First thing to understand, Credit Strong works by reporting installment loan activity to the credit bureaus. When you cancel, you're not just stopping payments, you're also stopping new credit reporting from that account. Start by logging into your Credit Strong account and checking your active plans. If you still have an open credit building loan, you can't simply press one cancel button and exit. You need to manage the loan status first. If your goal is to stop payments, look for your loan details and see whether early payoff or account closure is available. In many cases, closing the account means paying off the remaining balance first, because the loan needs to be settled before it can be fully closed. Next, understand what happens after payoff. Once the loan is closed, the account stops reporting new monthly activity, but your payment history stays on your credit report. That history is what lenders see when evaluating your credit behavior. If you're trying to completely remove yourself from the system, you'll usually need to go through customer support. Credit Strong often handles account closure and final confirmation through their support team, rather than a simple in-app button. Also check for any linked billing methods. Even after payoff or cancellation, make sure your bank account or debit card is removed or updated, so no future charges are accidentally processed. If you have multiple Credit Strong accounts, each one needs to be handled separately. Closing one does not automatically close the others. After cancellation, monitor your bank account for at least one billing cycle to confirm everything has stopped completely and no final payment overlaps occur. To summarize, canceling Credit Strong involves paying off or closing your loan, stopping new reporting activity, and confirming closure through support if needed. The key difference is that your credit history stays, but new reporting from that account stops. Next step, log into your Credit Strong account and check your current loan status before attempting to cancel anything. If this helped, like and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of credit builder accounts and how to manage them correctly.